What is machine learning? How we can master in ML? Please check this image. The provided image presents a comprehensive machine learning roadmap, meticulously designed to guide an aspiring data scientist or ML engineer from foundational concepts to production-level expertise. It is structured into 5 distinct phases, beginning with mathematics and programming, which emphasizes the necessity of linear algebra, calculus, probability, and proficiency in languages like Python and R. The roadmap then transitions into machine learning fundamentals, covering essential preprocessing techniques such as data cleaning and feature engineering, alongside classic supervised and unsupervised algorithms like linear regression and k-means clustering. As the learner progresses into the core paradigms and deep learning sections, the complexity increases to include reinforcement learning, neural network architectures like CNNs for computer vision and transformers for NLP, and optimization strategies like backpropagation. The final, critical stage is deployment and production MLOps, which bridges the gap between a standalone model and a functional product. This phase focuses on model serving through APIs, cloud platforms like AWS and Google Vertex AI, and productionalization via Docker, Kubernetes, and continuous monitoring for issues like data drift. By integrating technical skills with practical portfolio building through platforms like Kaggle and GitHub, the roadmap provides a holistic path to excellence for navigating the multifaceted landscape of modern artificial intelligence.